Hey, what's going on? I've been working on cutting some beams. Check it out. We just finished setting all this stuff on the front porch. Want to see how I did it? Go watch this video. Alright, before we stand these guys, we're going to go ahead and put on our plates. We're going to start with this one right here. You can see I got my braces set up and ready to go. I'll just raise it right up, brace it that way, then we'll brace it right back down over there. Okay guys, we got these first two braced off both directions. Got our platform set up on our forklift. We'll get out there and grab our first beam and set it right up against the building there. Tell me when it's plumb and I'll nail it up. Man, this is gonna look good, guys. wasn't too bad, eh? Okay, so you may be asking yourself what I'm gonna do here. So here's what we've got, guys. We've got 1/4 inch plate. This one will come in underneath. We've drilled some holes in the beam. And then we've got this 1/4 inch plate that'll go up on top of that beam right there. And all of that will hold that beam right into this pocket. So let's get this thing hung.
Do what you can when you can. Do it. Do what you can when you can. Do it. Do what you can when you can. Do it. Do what you can when you can. Do what you can do when you can do. Do what you can when you can. And I got your back when it's too much to handle. Do what you can. What you can do when you can do it. Do what you can when you can. And I got your back when it's too hot to handle. Do what you can when you can. Do what you can do.
And then we can get our spacer block in there.
And I got your back when it's too much to handle. Do what you can when you can. Do what you can do when you can do. Do what you can when you can. Yeah. And I got your back when it's too much to handle. Do what you can.
We're gonna be doing the same thing on the other side, guys. The hip coming off that other corner will tie into that beam. We'll hang it the same way.
Everybody wants to ride their own ticket and kick it just how they want to kick it. Like a wise man said, no risk it, no biscuit. So if you lack motivation, son, only you can fix it.
All right, thanks for watching. Come back next time, guys. We'll pick up right here where we left off. We'll see you.
We're meant to be solid internally, spiritually, mentally. Still, the universe is testing me endlessly with questions so suggestively. What might the latest lesson be? Yo, might not ever understand God's plan, so do what you can do when you can.
Do what you can when you can.
Just do what you can do when you can.
All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Come back next time, and we'll pick up right here where we left off.
And I got your back when it's too much to handle.
We'll see you later.
Do what you can do when you can. Do what you can when you can. Yo, do what you can do when you can do. Do what you can. Do it. And I got your back when it's too much to handle. Do what you can. Do it.
Biggest lesson you can learn. It's not about what you earn. It's about how bright your soul burns and what you yearn. Tell me now, are you waiting for your turn? Holla, holla, shot collar. The big baller making top dollar. Even if you're top dog, you know this much is true. There's always something in your game you need to improve. No one's standing in your way. How you working on you? Putting in the hours, doing what you gotta do. Don't call 911, yo, just get it done. Got to do the work, son. But when you're down by 3, you can't shoot 2. Now I'ma dish it to you. Do what you can do when you can do.
Do what you can when you can.
And I got your back when it's too much to handle.
Do what you can